Hey everyone, welcome back to your space journey. If you've looked up on any clear night lately, you've seen one planet absolutely owning the sky, rising in the east as the sun sets, blazing overhead all night long, and shining brighter than anything else up there. That's Jupiter, putting on its best show of 2026 right now. This month, the giant planet reaches opposition, its closest and brightest point, and it's delivering stunning views that last all through January and well into February. No fancy gear needed to start enjoying it. Just step outside tonight.
Welcome to Your Space Journey, where we venture into the future of space exploration. Your journey begins now.
Let's dive into why Jupiter is the undisputed star of the winter sky and how you can explore its swirling storms and dancing moons like never before. First, what exactly is opposition? It's that magical alignment when Earth flies directly between Jupiter and the sun. Jupiter rises as the sun sets, stays up all night long, and shines opposite the sun in our sky. This happens because Jupiter's orbit is farther out than ours, so every 13 months or so, we lap it on the inside track. At opposition, Jupiter is closest to Earth, about 4.23 astronomical units away, or roughly 393 million miles. That closeness makes it pop, shining at magnitude -2.7, brighter than anything except the Moon and Venus, and its disk swells to around 45.6 arcseconds across. That's huge for a planet, perfect for spotting details. Mark your calendars. The exact moment of opposition is January 10th, 2026, around 8 UTC. But don't wait for that exact second. The prime viewing window stretches from early January through February. Jupiter will be in the constellation Gemini, the twins, climbing high overhead for northern hemisphere viewers. From mid-latitudes, it'll soar 60 degrees up, straight south at midnight, giving us crystal clear, steady views without atmospheric wobble low on the horizon. Why is this so exciting? Jupiter isn't just a dot, it's a world. Even with the naked eye, it's a brilliant creamy white beacon, outshining Sirius. Steady binoculars reveal its four largest moons, the Galilean satellites, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, discovered by Galileo in 1610. They look like tiny stars lined up on either side of the planet, dancing positions night to night as they orbit. Watch for transits, when a moon crosses in front of Jupiter, or shadows casting dark spots on the clouds, or occultations, when moons vanish behind the disk. It's like a mini solar system show. Step up to a small telescope, say 4 inches or more, and wow, you'll see Jupiter's famous cloud bands, the dark equatorial belts and lighter zones, swirling in ammonia ice. And the crown jewel, the Great Red Spot, a hurricane 3 times Earth's size that's raged for at least 300 years. At opposition, it's crisp and detailed, reddish-orange, with chaotic storms around it. NASA's Juno spacecraft has been orbiting Jupiter since 2016, sending back mind-blowing close-ups of these features. Pro tip, check apps like Stellarium or Sky Safari for Great Red Spot transit times. They happen every 10 hours as Jupiter rotates. Let's geek out on the science. Jupiter is a gas giant, mostly hydrogen and helium, like a failed star. Its rapid 10-hour spin flattens it into an oblate spheroid, bulging at the equator. Those bands. High-speed winds up to 400 miles per hour, driven by internal heat. The Great Red Spot is an anticyclone, spinning counterclockwise, trapping storms inside. Recent Juno data shows it's deeper than we thought, rooted hundreds of miles down. And those moons? Worlds unto themselves. Ganymede is bigger than Mercury, with its own magnetic field. Io is the most volcanic body in the solar system. Callisto has ancient craters. But the star right now? Europa. Europa's icy crust hides a global ocean, more water than all of Earth's combined. Plumes might shoot from cracks, hinting at habitability. NASA's Europa Clipper, launched in 2024, flew by Mars earlier this year and is cruising toward Jupiter. It'll arrive in 2030 for dozens of close flybys, mapping ice, probing for organics, and hunting signs of life. Watching Jupiter now feels extra timely. We're on the cusp of revolutionary discoveries about ocean worlds. History time. Jupiter has captivated humans forever. Ancient astronomers called it the Wanderer, Galileo's moon discoveries shattered the Earth-centered universe. Today, amateur astronomers contribute real science, tracking storms, timing transits for pros. Viewing tips for maximum awe. Start early January. Jupiter's already dominating the evening sky. Find a dark side away from lights. No moon interference around opposition. The moon's phases won't wash it out much. Use binoculars on a steady mount or tripod. For telescopes, higher magnification reveals more, but start low for the whole view. Photography? Smartphone adapters work wonders. Capture moons and bands easily. Imagine this: crisp winter night, breath fogging, Jupiter gleaming high. Through your scope, bands swirl, the red spot looms, moons align like jewels. It's not just looking, it's exploring. Share your views in the comments. How many moons did you spot? Thanks for joining this space journey. If Jupiter fired you up, like, subscribe, and bell for more. Clear skies, stay curious. See you under the stars.